everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost and the Wiggle Mouse of them all. Hello everybody, Sunny here floating in. Mom just finished a new set of Digi Kits for December. Yay! Come take a look. Okay. Thank you, son. You are adorable. Okay. So yes, he's absolutely right. I have finished a set of Digi Kits. I hope you like this selection. I tried to pick some fun things for everybody concerned. And I'm going to show you some examples of what I made from them as well. So let's just dive right in. But first, if you haven't noticed yet, I have now the Paper Outpost merchandise. And basically it works on the Create with Reckless Abandon theme. And if you're on YouTube and you're looking on the PC, or I'm not quite sure on the tablet, maybe on the phone, but definitely on the PC, there's what's called a merchandise shelf in the description box below, and you can click on different products if you're interested in that. Or if you want to see everything that I offer, I have a link in the description box below to go to my entire merchandise store, which will show you an array of things. And so there you go. There's T-shirts, sweatshirts, a zipped hoodie, mugs, totes, all sorts of fun things for gift giving, for yourself. If you want some inspiration, there you go. Okay, but here we are. Let's talk about the Digi Kits for December, and there's some beautiful colors coming at you here. This one is called Circus Vintage. Yes, Circus Vintage. So I'm going to give you a little tour of what these look like. And I put different sizes in there for you so that you have different things to work with. So you can make flips and pockets and tucks and all sorts of different things. And these are all curated from vintage and antique circus items, which are kind of fun. So there you go. Old tickets, old brochures, just some beautiful stuff. And a very fun theme any time of the year. These can be used for adults, for kids. So hey, we're all, had fun at the circus when we were little. Don't know how feelings are on the circus these days, but kindness to animals is always a good thing. All right, so there you go. Now there are 5 pages in each, and they're all JPEG images. I only am showing 4 pages of each because I have made some examples with the 5th page. So there you go. The second one is called Purple Vintage Theme. Yes, that's right. We're taking a little tour through all the colors, and this is Purple Vintage Theme, and I happen to be working on a purple journal, so this might be a nice jewel tone color to use in the fall and winter months. I know I'm showing you flowers, but there's some grapes. Hey, that's fall. But if you're doing a nature journal or something like that, or somebody's favorite color is purple, you're going to have some options. And again, I tried to put a nice variety covering the spectrum of different things and giving you options of what to play with. And lots of fun. So I hope you're having fun today. I hope you're getting some craftiness in. It always makes the day seem a little brighter and a little cheerier. And the next one is called Garden of Delights. And I just found some absolutely stunning images I just really wanted to share with you. I thought they were so cool. And I just love these old images. These are extremely old images, like 1800s or earlier. And I just think they need to be viewed at and lived again and oogled over and noticed, because the artwork is gorgeous. And why not look at pretty pictures all day, right? What's wrong with that? There could be worse things. This one I did sideways so we could maximize the number that we got on here. Very nice for DigiKits, for pockets and tucks and journal cards and journal tags and all sorts of fun. Now the next category is called Paris Life. Yes, I'm going to be doing some travel related ones. I've did Germany before. I may do country, I may do city, just what I come across that seems fascinating. And I thought this was a nice variety of an array of different pictures that you can use in any travel journal. And if you want a French flair, a Parisian flair, any flair will do ya. This might just do the trick. Some of these are really cool old images as well. Some are from movies, some are from books, some are just the Moulin Rouge style, and just a lot of fun. Just a lot of fun. We actually went to Paris on our honeymoon, so it always holds a special place in our hearts. Yes. was before Sunny. Yeah, we just had our 25th wedding anniversary this week, and so that's probably how the Paris one came up. There you go. And we would not be complete without our forest friends. And if you are thinking deer and squirrel, rabbits and mushrooms and little oddities that live in the forest, or you might encounter some birdies, some reindeer, some little weird, I'm not quite sure what they are, but they're in the forest. Yep, they are. Some bears, some little mice, some owls, some talking flowers, all friends of the forest. Wintry scene. And here we go, a little fox, a little skunkaroo, yeah. And there you go. Okay, so that gives you a quick rundown on what is in the kits. Now let me show you a few easy examples that anybody can make. Let's see, this first one I made is just a little notebook. I had some scrap white paper hanging around, so I thought I would just make a little notebook out of it, and I just stapled the top. I stapled this little ruffle to the top, and then I used some stickles and liquid pearls. Nutrical. I must be getting ready for weight loss program coming up or something. It's not January yet, Pam. There's still eating time. Okay, these are I kept the three pictures together so you could see how they could be used together as a cover. Very simple concept, just takes a few seconds to do. I stapled the material across the top, and then I just put some dots on it for fun, for color. There you go. And I just put plain white, but you could use torn book pages or music pages or dictionary pages or any interesting pages that you come across. Nice and thin to fit inside a journal. No problem there. Very thin. Yep. Oh, disappeared. Oh, almost gone. Okay. And okay, so the next thing I made using Garden of Delights, this one I made a tall little folio, trying to think of different things you can make with these if you have an entire picture. Now you could fold this picture into an envelope. You could fold it into a journal cover. This is on lightweight cardstock. This is what I print out my Digikits that I mail on. It's 110-pound lightweight cardstock. And I added a stamp on here. I sewed around the edges, giving it a nice finish. I stamped the word inspire. So you can increase what is on the pages, or you can leave them as is. They're fully decorated and ready to go. And this one I just turned into a very fun, very easy stationery holder. And these are some pieces of writing paper that I tucked in here. And these two are pockets made from Paris Life. So just very fun, very easy to operate. I just put some stamps on the inside. And I really love stationery paper. I don't know why, I'm an addict on it. Like, I could eat it like popcorn. And they're fun to put in tall pockets. So if you have tall pockets or tall envelopes, things like that, or let's say you put a pocket down here, but the top of the page looks very blank, it's a great way to fill up that white space with some color. There you go. Okay, very nice. And I just, it doesn't really need a closure, but I just put a little paper clip with the same little lace I've been using along here. Okay, so next, we have this little guy. This is, these are actually, let me show you this guy first. Okay, this is Friends of the Forest. Let me zoom in a little bit. We seem so far away. Come here, come on. Oh, you just want to, yeah, we're still recording. Oh, shoot, thank you. Okay, let's go there. No, that's farther. Oh, there's my pajamas. Caught me. Okay, too late. All right, yes, I craft in my pajamas. I film in my pajamas often. Yep, there we go. All right, because I have most energy in the morning, so I like to record when I'm all fired up and ready to go. Okay, so what I did with this one was just a simple idea on the front. This is from the Forest Friends, but on the back I had a piece of that mulberry paper, and I don't know if you have it, but it's like soft and flimsy, and of course I can't find another one to show you right now, but I thought let me just glue it onto the back. What a nice textural feel, what a pretty accent, and you can write on this as well. So if you have a bunch of those floating around in your stash that you forgot about, put them on, I just used a glue stick, put them on the back of a journal card, and it's the most wonderful feeling, and they're very pretty, you know, and I just put a stamp there, winter, just for fun, using the same lace, a little button there to cover the staple, and just some faux stitching. So if you don't have a sewing machine, you are not out in the woods, ha ha ha, get it? Forest friends. Okay, next, thank you, Pam. This, since it is the holiday season, I thought it would be fun to make a little gift tag. And so many of these can be turned into gift tags because of their size. So they're small enough. You could make 2 froms on the back. Wouldn't that be fun? That would be just so much fun. So I just made one of these into a gift tag, and I just decorated it up with, yes, some stickles and some of my little black magic marker that I drew on there, and then I also put some gold gilding around it to bring it into the realm of Christmas. And let's see if I could pick up the light, but I stickled it all over, because you know me, I like to over stickle. And there's no such thing. There's no such thing as over stickling. You just stickle or you don't. And on the back I just wrote a very simple to and from, and that is ready to go, and I will use that for Christmas for one of my husband's presents. Yep, he's been a good boy this year, so I getting some, he's been mentioning things all year long, so we shall see. If he continues to be a good boy, then he will get them. He's going to laugh if he hears that. Okay, so now here, let's back away slowly. Oh, that was closer, and we're far away. Okay, there's the belly. Okay, get away. All right, and we're back. Okay, this is from Paris. And this is probably a scene from, you know, one of the bridges that goes over the river there, the Seine? I want to say Seine. Is that what it's called? I put the word winter on there. I inked around in black, and the back I just turned into a simple postcard. I have a postcard stamps. Those are rubber stamp. Those are easily accessible on eBay or Etsy or Amazon or YouTube but they're very handy, and you can actually use these if you use a cardstock. And traditional size is 5 by 7, but they can be a little bit off. It's okay, and you can put a stamp on there and send that off, and that would be fun, wouldn't it? So there you go. These are just some fun ideas that you can you know, play with your little Digi Kits, giving you all sorts of fun things that you can do. And there's a lot of pictures in here to give you creative ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you had fun. And I hope you consider exploring these, because there is a lot of fun. And thank you very much for everybody who participated in my Black Friday to Cyber Monday sale. Thank you very much for your support of my channel. And we all wish you many, many happy blessings throughout your life and your family and your holiday season. And of course, that goes for everybody, whether you participated in the sale or not. Thank you to everybody who has been here. It's been a very happy year, thanks to you guys. So thank you very much. I really appreciate your energy and your spirit, and I just love that you're here and we spend time together. So for those of you who are new, welcome aboard. This is the Paper Outpost Express, and what do we do here? We do videos Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, podcasts Tuesdays and Thursdays related to junk journal, paper crafting, life of a crafter, answering crafty questions. It's free to listen to. Come on over. Check it out on Spotify or Apple or Google or about 10 other platforms, or just click the link down below in the description box if you don't have any of those. You don't have to have any of those. I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. Hey, if you're not signed up, what are you doing? Make sure you sign up. Why would you sign up? Well, one reason is you get a free digital image emailed to you every month, something very unique or pretty that might be of use for junk journaling or arts or crafting or something like that. And you can just print it out, and there you go. And I try and give you multiple sizes of the one image so that you have things to play with. And also, you're going to get junk journal tips, updates from me. You're going to see a sneak peek of the Digi Kits that come out, and what else? There's other stuff on there, and Amazon. I have an Amazon shop where you can find favorite tools and supplies. So if you're looking for certain things, I'm going to put a link there for you so you can check those out if you want more details. And also, I have an Etsy shop where I have my vintage digital kits. That's where you find these babies, and I have over 131 different vintage Digi Kits right now, and they are all JPEG images, 5 sheets per page, all organized by theme, so they're very easy to source, and they're easy to cut out and print and locate. So There you go. I have the regular Etsy page, which you just go to that and you can find me, or I have a dedicated website, which is all Etsy behind the background. So if you're looking for just my stuff, not mixed in with everybody else's stuff, go to www.ThePaperOutpost.com and you will see all my Etsy items that are available. What else am I going to say about it? They're just not mixed in with anybody else. So if you just want to see my stuff, that stuff is available there. All the payment systems are the same. So if you use the pay as you go, or you use the PayPal, whatever it is, however you pay on Etsy normally, you can use everything like that there because it is Etsy. It just looks different on the face. What else? You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And all the links are in the drop-down description box below. I use TubeBuddy. So if you're interested in exploring what TubeBuddy is, there is a link down below. It helps me manage my YouTube channel a little bit easier. And if you find value here, please like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell. And remember that fun can be simple and create with reckless abandon, everybody. Bye. Till next time.